Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the main meter and confirming its type so you know how readings update. Next, attach or plug in your measurement device. Use a clamp meter for mains or a plug monitor for individual devices. Once done, record the baseline reading, the date and time, and the supply voltage if accessible, because accurate initial data prevents calculation errors later. Make sure to take a clear photo of the meter display as a backup and label the circuit you plan to measure. You now measure consumption using a method that fits your goal. For whole home use, the meter kWh delta over 24 hours. For appliances, measure current and voltage to calculate watts, then integrate over time. If using a clamp meter, sample multiple times and multiply by V to get instantaneous watts. Record the duration precisely. Also log intermittent loads and duty cycles because devices like compressors distort averages. Once you have consistent samples, aggregate. You finish by converting your measurements into kWh using watts times hours /1000 and summing devices to compare with the meter delta. This tells you if you captured everything. Once done, reconcile discrepancies. If the meter shows higher usage than your sum, look for hidden loads, incorrect voltage assumptions, or measurement placement errors. Make sure to rerun short tests and photograph setups. If things go wrong, check meter wiring. Replace suspect clamps, and watch for cyclical loads that need longer sampling to stabilize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.